Sweet food.
Candy bar.
Candy bar. Kids love to eat candy bars. What about you? Chocolate.
Chocolate. It is tasty to eat a chocolate-covered strawberry.
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
You can blow bubbles with chewing gum.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Mark is sucking on a lollipop in the candy store. Candy bar.
Candy bar.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Wood. Won't. Loud. Would. Won't. Loud. Last.
Found.
Wrong. Occupations.
Cook.
Cook. Cook. Have you ever watched a cook at work? Cleaner.
Cleaner. Cleaner. Cleaners work very hard to keep homes and offices clean.
Baker.
Baker. Baker.
Bakers work in bakery.
Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor. Have you gone to a doctor lately? Cook.
Cook. Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Baker.
Baker. Doctor.
Doctor.
Er. Er. Rope. Rope. Rose. Rose. Rib. Rib. Words start with R.
Roof.
Ring. Rock. Ram. Root. Robot.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That's right.
Doctor.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Candy bar.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Cleaner. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic!
Chewing gum.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. You did it!
Baker.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic!
Cook.
Can you pick out last?
You did it!
Can you pick out?
Wood.
Great job!
Hooray! You finished the lesson! Congratulations! You've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.